Straight ahead of us on the right, straight ahead on the right, there are two large buildings numbered 1 and 2. We're looking at the back of them. They're aircraft hangars. That's where they store, service, and prepare the space shuttle orbiters for their next flights. Remember, we're looking at the back of them.
The smaller hangar-like building to the left of the VAB is the orbiter processing facility. There are two identical processing bays inside this 96-foot tall structure.
Now, if you look back
after a space flight, the space shuttle orbiter is brought into one of these bays and readied for its next mission. Any remaining fuel is drained, and all fuel lines, pumps, and engines are cleaned and carefully checked. Cargo and experiment packages ready to fly. The spaceship is then towed to the VAB, where it is attached to its booster set and external tank.
14 feet wide. They're the machines that are used to transport the space shuttle vehicle fully assembled, upright, all the way out to the launch pad 4 miles away, traveling on a gravel roadway. That will be our next stop out to visit the 2 shuttle launch sites overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. Remember, once they leave the building, they're fully assembled. The building to your right at an angle with the open black louvered shutters, that's where they conduct was December the 2nd, the spaceship Discovery. The next launch will be February with carry satellites. There's a good view of the launch pad to your left, right there to your left. The last launch was December the 2nd. The next launch will be February. Columbia, your left. Up to 3,000 degrees. Also located in the flame trench is a steel flame deflector which distributes the heat and flame away from the pad. The small mounds inside the fenced area with white stanchions are used to mount motion picture, still, and television cameras that are used to record the pre-launch and launch activities of the space shuttle. These cameras in Canada. Inside the fence to your right, there's an elevated dirt mound called a camera site. Cameras are mounted there to DOS is a real Saturn V moon rocket. However, it was never sent into space. It was used for testing the engines on the ground. But it's all one rocket. They have a skirt that goes in between to hold the stages together. This will be our final stop. There'll be a lot of buses here, so remember, bus number... on the end would be
gallons per second. This is required to produce the more than in just 2.5 minutes. This rocket stage would have boosted the entire aircraft to an altitude of 40 miles at a speed of over 6 Unlike the first stage engines, these use liquid hydrogen.
What?
Third stage.
The Saturn V third stage is powered by a single...
In ways to utilize solar energy,
Did you see it?
we have seen many. It is the next best thing to being in space. We have now come to the end of your tour of the Kennedy Space Center. We hope that you have enjoyed your visit with us and will return again to share the adventure of space exploration undertaken for the benefit of all of us on the good Earth.
Traverser le ruisseau et chercher les oranges au bord. Hein? Il y a des alligators.
If you look to your front left, please, as you know, in the parking lot, there's a full-scale model of a space shuttle orbiter.